Hi guys! Nandito na naman ang mga person. Maglakad-lakad naman ang mga person guys. I show you the fish pond. A lots of shrimp there. See? That is a big fish pond that we want to rent. And there. So, that's why, my love. Beauty. Thank you. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa fish pond. Titingnan natin kung malalaki na yung shrimp so got a lot of fish pond that we can very soon. It's a very big fish pond guys. That is my family there walking, and then here's my asawa.